Namaste friends, this is Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in. Today I am here with how to work single crochet with yarn over the hook. So there are different ways of working single crochet or any other stitches. Each stitch can be worked in different ways, whether it's double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet. There are different methods and several methods of working. One such is working the normal way is yarn over the hook. I will demonstrate that, and also I'll demonstrate how to get straight edges, side edges. And the bottom edge, as I told you already, I have done in the back. I worked in the back loop that is available in the previous video. So I have got a neat bottom edge. Now I will show you how to work the single crochet with yarn over the hook. For that I am using, for demonstration, I am using Aran yarn, which is Hobby Store Premium Acrylic Anti-Pill yarn, shade number 2032. So let us work. I have worked the first row. For the second row, normal method is chain 1 and turn, yarn over the hook. Okay, first single crochet done. Again insert in the second stitch, yarn over the hook, pull out, yarn over the hook, insert in the next, yarn over the hook, insert in the next. This yarn is great to work your cardigans, sweaters, and any product. It is soft to feel. The best is that it is anti-pill. So I have come to the end of the row here, and this is the stitch. So I have to insert under this. We need to insert, see that we pick it up under 2 loops. So the other loop is behind, so I need to pick up under that loop also. Only then your stitch definition will be fine. This is done. So one more row I am going to do by chaining 1 and turning. Some people take this chain 1 as one stitch and they don't work in the second one and they go and work here. Instead of that, I chain 1 and then work in the same stitch, so that we get even stitches and stitch definitions are good. More than that, in the next few rows I am going to show you how to work the single crochets, turning single crochets without chaining 1. So that will give a better side effects, like better side stitch, straight edges. It will give straight edges. So when we work with the chain 1, you will get one bump in the side. I will work few more rows and get back to you. I have worked few rows by having a turning chain 1 as turning chain and working 10 SCs in 10 stitches. So the number of SCs that you started with have to be the same. I started with 11 chains and made 10 single crochets as the first row. I am continuing the same number in subsequent rows. It has to be that way. Okay, now I think here this bumps on the sides are visible. These are the chain 1 bumps. You can see them protruding out. Okay, the next few rows I am not going to chain 1. I am just going to turn my work, pull up the loop a little bit to the height of single crochet, holding it with your finger, insert your hook in the very first stitch, yarn over the hook, pull out the loop, yarn over the hook, pull through 2. Then again holding the stitch, insert in the next, yarn over the hook, pull out, continue the single crochet till the end. I shall meet you at the end of this row. I have come to the end of this row here. So again I am going to turn, and I am not making a turning chain. Rather this loop on the hook is little shorter for a single crochet, so pull it up a little bit, hold it, insert your hook in the very first stitch, yarn over the hook, pull out, make your single crochet. Again in the next, then in the next. So here I am taking yarn over the hook. This is a normal way we work our single crochets, or for that matter any stitch, double crochet, half double crochet. And the last one, Now if you count, it will be 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10th one you have to figure out where you have to work, because we have not done a turning chain. The top V will be little bit to the side, so you have to identify, turn and insert your hook under those two loops, yarn over, pick out the loop, pull it out and complete your single crochet. Okay, so same way continue. I will continue for few more rows and show you the effect it has. I've completed few rows without the turning chain. So these rows are without the turning chain and these rows are with the turning chain. So you can see that the bump which is subsumed into the rows is appearing outside when you have chain one. So this is how it is. So this swatch is made in similar way without the turning chain. So you get a neat edge, side edges, and since we worked in the back loop of the stitches of the foundation chain, you get a good bottom edge and the top edge, of course. So this way it will appear. The iron yarn is wonderful to work with. It's really wonderful to work with clover hook and iron yarn. Thank you friends for watching. Have a nice day.